I'm Katherine, and welcome to my kitchen. I recently replaced all of the countertops and backsplash here. My husband, Randy, thought I was completely nuts.
There's only so long I can argue for, and then eventually Katherine gets what she wants.
This room is the center of our home. It's where our family gathers. This is where we cook all of our meals and where we create content. The old quartz that we had here, every time we cooked, there was a new stain. It was scratched. It constantly looked dirty. No matter what chemicals I used, it just wasn't matching our lives and it wasn't performing. So we brought in Cambria. The designs that they offer are timeless. Every single option that we looked at was beautiful. We ended up going with the Claremont mat.
It's always nice to have a beautiful house, and that's kind of Katherine's thing. Like, she wants the countertops to match the stools, to match the tables and plates and stuff, and I like that. But for me, it's the durability. I am really hard on my pots and pans. I'm hard on my knives. I throw things around.
Their product is designed for longevity. I know that I'll never have a problem with my Cambria, and the designs are absolutely timeless. Yeah.
Katherine won. Oh, here we go.